Hi, this is Don Bullock from WB Fine Woodworking. My handy tool for today is a Preppin Weapon Sanding Block. Yes, I know some of you out there are going to say, you're a woodworker, make your own, but I found these to be very handy. I needed them real quickly one time when I was working on a trophy for my Basset Hound Club. The club needed the trophy for an upcoming show. I wanted to do some hand sanding on it. I decided, because these were on sale, I could get them and use them on the trophy. It worked out great, and I've been using them ever since. Preppin Weapons are made by Time Shaver Tools. They were initially designed for the auto industry, but are now sold at Woodcraft, and you can find them on Amazon too. Preppin Weapons are made of high-impact plastic. They won't break when they're dropped. As you can see here, the Preppin Weapon is contoured very nicely to fit the hand. That causes a lot less fatigue and makes the task of sanding a little more comfortable. One of the features of the Preppin Weapon is they use 1/4 of a sheet of regular 9x11 sandpaper. It doesn't need to be hook and loop or sticky back paper. Just the regular sheets of paper that you find in your big box stores or Rocklear, Woodcraft, probably even on Amazon. Sandpaper is held on the Preppin Weapon with these stainless steel clips, so they won't rust. It holds 4 sheets of sandpaper, which is a full sheet of the sandpaper I showed you earlier. Holding more than 1 sheet is a great feature. When one wears out, you can undo the clip, pull that one out, redo the clip, do the same thing on the other side, and you're ready to go with a new piece of sandpaper. Preppin Weapons come in 5 different colors. As you can see here, I've color coordinated mine for the different grits. The one over here that says variable is one that I switch between 400 and 80, depending on what I'm using it for. I fully agree that Preppin Weapons are very expensive. I'd suggest that you shop around for the best price or wait for them to come on sale like I did. I think you'll find that the Preppin Weapons are a very handy tool for your shop. One of the projects that I'm currently working on in my shop as part of my reorganization and cleaning things up is a tote for my Preppin Weapons. It'll be a project that you can easily convert to any kind of sanding blocks that you have so that you can organize them and find them when you want them. It'll be a video on this particular channel, so you might want to watch out for that as the time goes on. If you liked this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up down below and make any comments that you wish. And please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.